Hello everyone. Today I will introduce kanji related to nature. Japanese are consisted by kanji and hiragana. We can start to study the kanji today. Firstly, I will introduce this kanji, bi. This word means beautiful. I will show how to write this kanji. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And how to use this kanji? For example, this means bijin. Jin means also to be the person. So it means beautiful person. And the next kanji means umi. Umi means sea or ocean. Pronunciation is umi or kai. How to write this kanji? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this kanji, it means seaside, umibe in Japanese. And next is tsuki. Tsuki means moon. Pronunciation tsuki or gets. How to write this kanji? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just it. And this kanji means mangetsu, means full moon. This kanji means full, and this tsuki meaning of full. So this is full moon. And also in Japanese, this kanji are used like to say months. So for example, when you write the January, you can just write like that. So this is January. This is February and March and April, something like that. Yeah. And the next is sora. Sora means sky and air. Pronunciation solar or cool. And kawa. How to write this kanji? Let's get together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This means is aozora. So first word means blue, and second sora means sky. So this is blue sky. I would like to introduce kanji about colors someday. And last one is hikari, means light. Pronunciation hikari or cold. How to write this kanji is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When combined with the moon introduced earlier, it can say gekko. Gekko means moonlight. So alright, today's all for today's lesson. Next time, I will introduce part 2 of kanji about nature. Thank you for watching today. See you again.